Welcome. In front of me I have the C35, and today I just wanted to show you how you can apply a tempered glass to this phone. Now I'll start off right at the bat telling you that the glass that I have here is for just a little bit of a different phone, but it's close enough in my case that I can use it. Now in your case you most likely ordered a glass that basically fits perfectly for your phone, so that's great. I'll be using this one, which is for Poco M2 Pro, but as you will see once I place it down, as you can see, it is just kind of like right there. It's ideal for this phone, so that's what I'm going to be using. Now the reason why I'm using a different one is because I just kind of put it this way, I have an entire couple boxes of different screen protectors. Never really a good one for the phone that I'm doing, but it's close enough for a majority of the cases that it's good enough to do this. So anyway, to get started with the tempered glass that you probably got, you should have there we go, this little thing. So in here you can see we have a wet and a dry wipe, so you can utilize these if you want to. I personally will not be using them just because they're absolutely garbage, too small to actually care about them. And what I'll be using is this microfiber cloth. It does the job as well, if not better, without making you suffer through the absolute minuscule size of these wipes. So what you want to do to get started is what I would say is figure out what kind of glass you have. As you can see, I have just one side to peel, but there are sometimes different ones. For instance, I'm gonna just bring this one as an example. Now this isn't tempered glass, but some of the tempered glasses do have the same kind of logic where they have the two sides to peel off. So as you can see, finish will be the whatever it says. It can be finish or number 2. So number 1 will be usually the start point. So once you peel that off, you will be left with the sticky side. So once you peel that off, you will want to put that like so. And then finish will be basically just taking off the protection from the glass itself to reveal actually like the glass. So there we go. That is for people that have their tempered glass with like 2 sides to peel off. But obviously you can see for me I have only one, so it kind of simplifies the thing. Whatever I'll peel off right here, will reveal the sticky side of the glass, and I'll just kind of like flop it like so. So there we go. Now once you get that figured out, let's clean off the display. You do want to have it as close to basically pristine, clean, without any kind of speck of dust as humanly possible. That will help you out with basically not finding any kind of like air bubbles under the display. So the way I do it is I just kind of clean it off completely. As you can see, it is quite clean. And I will set it down, and I will keep the microfiber cloth ready because I want to give it a couple more passes, just like a gentle swipes, to get rid of any dust that could have settled once I peel off this and I'm ready to apply it. So I just kind of like peel this off, then swipe a couple times to make sure that there's no dust, and then I'll just slap it down. Now when it comes down to applying the glass, the way I do it, probably not the best way or not the only way. It will really depend. This phone doesn't have any kind of case. If you have a case, you can actually keep it on. It might actually help you a little bit because case will create these kind of like bumpers, so you won't be able to apply your glass outside of the screen because the actual case will keep the tempered glass in like the boundaries that it needs to be. So it will help you out a little bit. I don't have it, so I'm just gonna use the method that I usually do. So I'll just align it with the camera, as you can see. So it's basically symmetrical. I'll pinch the device along with the screen to find like the middle point. So the glass is in the middle, not like to the side or to either side. And while it's being pinched in the middle, I'll then make sure that it's aligned at the bottom correctly. And it's all done at an angle, so it doesn't like stick into the device. So I'm basically doing it like this. So it's not sticking to the device, which is kind of important. Once it sticks, it's obviously not going to move around. So what I'll do is just align it and then drop it. And as you can see, this would basically apply it almost perfectly. So anyway, let's just get to it. Now I do want to most likely wipe off the smudges that I have just created by doing this. So there we go. Good enough. Okay, so let's get going. I'm gonna peel this off. This reveals the sticky side. There we go, got rid of some dirt. Okay, it looks good. And there we go. As you can see, it didn't really catch all the edges, so in this case you can just do it with your finger. Also the thing that I did, like moving my finger across, I just kind of speeds up the process of it covering the entire display. Once you place it down, it just kind of starts slowly kind of gluing itself. By just dragging your finger along the display, you kind of speed up the process. So there we go. Doesn't want to. Oh, there we go. So there we go. As you can see, it's perfectly applied. Well, as perfect as I guess I can get it. There is no air bubbles, which is probably the most important part. And whatever you see right now, these kind of like dots all over the display, that's just the glass itself. You can clean that off with some persistence. If I'm correct, this is kind of like the solution liquid that they use to use on the glass when they are cutting it to shape. So I think that's what it is. It is quite kind of annoying to clean off, as you will see. I am kind of like really pressing hard my fiber cloth right here to clean it off, and it's coming off, but like I said, you just need to be a little bit more persistent with it. Maybe using some kind of I don't know, window cleaner might help you. Never tried it, so you could try it with a maybe probably better result than I have. So anyway, that is how you could apply tempered glass to your phone. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.